Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We're going to run you guys through the process of fabrication in our Anani factory. This is raw material storage. This is where we have we're preparing the raw material here to be sent to the silos, which are right there. And then from the silos, they're gonna go to the press. But this is the raw material area with the different aggregates: kaolin, clay, feldspar, and sand. Well, here it is, guys. Wanted to share this part with you guys. It is important to understand how porcelain pavers are manufactured, because not all products are made equal.